So here on the left we have a metal ball that goes through a ring and that is cold, and then we heat it up. So it's important to note to put the ball in the most hottest part of the flame, which is just at the very tip of the first little internal lightly coloured blue part of the flame that you can see here in the diagram. And so you've got to sort of like let it hover above at that stage. And so it doesn't actually take long. It only goes for about 2 minutes. And it doesn't even get to red hot. I think we just lose patience and give it a shot. And as you'll see from the other diagram on the right below, so when they're cold, they're just vibrating in fixed positions less than what they are when they're heated. So there's more kinetic energy on the right-hand side, those red ones. So the particles are the same size, but they are vibrating with more kinetic energy, and so there's more gaps in between, so the spaces. And so the material itself expands, not the particles. And you can see I've also put a picture of an expansion joint in a bridge that you'll see because it'll move that much during the day just by heating up and cooling down. Okay, and so it's just heating there, not very well, but just trying to keep it constant. So the heating's quite poor, so it'll probably work after a minute if you heat it up really spot on without moving it too much. And so I'll just jump ahead to where it is. It just goes on like that for exactly 1 minute, and I'll jump ahead now. It's actually only 30 seconds ahead, and you can see there's a bit of a green flame coming off. So there must be a bit of copper. So it might have been made of copper. So there's a bit of copper burning off on that ball there. And so now we're going to test it, and you'll see it has expanded. And so you lift it up and it doesn't go through anymore. All right. And so that's thermal expansion, the diagram on the red. So we'll bring it back to the blue color, the blue diagram, and we'll just put it under, cool it down rapidly under the tap, steams up a little bit, and then it just falls straight through. So there you go.